Do you want to be in the vlog? You want to be in the vlog? You're like, what's a vlog? I'm only 6 months old, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here, enjoying my cup of coffee before I head on out to the flea market. Kind of upset at the moment because I just got negative feedback on eBay from a buyer that bought the item 2 months ago, and originally I had it for like 60 or 70 bucks. He offered me 20, and I'm like, all right, just take it. You know, I want to be done with it. Didn't hear from him until I never even heard from him. He just left negative feedback. Bam. There you go. Doesn't work. Didn't package it correctly. I'm like, dude, I put it in a box. The thing was about like that big. Bubble wrapped, air cushions, whatever. So I just messaged him and said, hey, is there something I could do? You do realize that you could return items, and if you reached out to me prior, maybe we could work out something. We'll see what he says. Anyway, yeah, so today I'm going to head over to the flea market for some hours. Got some stuff in the van that I want to get out there. There's a lot of stuff that's in the van I need to go through too, so I'm going to kind of knock out two birds with one stone here by selling stuff at the flea market and also going through the junk in my van to see if I can sell that stuff online or flea market or whatever. So today should be a busy day, so let's see what we do today. Alright, we're setting up here. I'm setting up, people are chopping. This is great. Probably made 40-50 bucks already. Sold the train set finally that I had. Sold some nice crosses. It's some nice metal crosses. Those are gone. Those hair clippers I showed in a previous video, so those sold pretty quick. So I'm setting up today, and I got the van full of stuff. So I'm here. I'm going through the stuff. Pretty slick deal. Throw the trash behind the tarp. But yeah, so far, lots of people out here. Got a little complained by a vendor. He threw a fit because I was driving in here and he said I'm driving too fast. So we'll have a little talk with him later. Kind of pissed me off, but it is what it is. So when I showed up here this morning, there was a guy parked right here, and he was setting up, and I told him, I said, hey, you know, I've got this whole spot right here, and he kind of threw a fit about it, and I said, well, you have to deal with it. You know, that's the problem out here. There's really no authority here, and some people think just because they sell here that they can actually, that they run this flea market. So I have a little talk with the owner here, and I'll have to probably put something up here to avoid people parking here and trying to set up. It's like the third time that somebody's done that. You know, originally I was going to be right there, but as you can see, it's through traffic. But yeah, just frustrated here with some of the people. It's life. It's like a circus. Actually, it's like a big freaking carnival is what it is. You have all different types of characters here. So, but it turned out to be a gorgeous day. And sun's out. Shoppers are out here making some money earlier this morning. Let's keep it going.
Like, I'll take the...
Oh, that's okay. Leave it.
Oh, my God, sorry.
All right, what do you want to pay for those?
Oh, my God.
Oh, leave it. That's fine. I got stuff everywhere. It's just wind out here.
Sorry about it.
No, that's okay.
I don't know, like, how much?
All right, well, what do you want to pay?
$2?
That works for me. I've got a tie strap. I can strap them together.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. A little windy out here today. The old canopy ripped there. I might have to do something here because this wind's picking up and I don't have this really secured in here very well. But let's just hope the wind doesn't pick up today. If not, if it is, the old global voodoo hut's going to be somewhere out there in the desert. Decided today to put the aisle 9 kitchen in the front there to get a little more traction. People have been looking over there. Probably sold about $9 worth of stuff out of there. But yeah, I decided to move that in the front rather than the back because people aren't really walking back here. So yeah, hopefully we can get rid of some of that stuff. That'd free up some room, that's for sure. Kids' books seem like sellers today, 4 for $1. Just had a couple come over here and pick up $6 or $7 worth, so that's good. It doesn't even look like I even sold any. That's how books are, though. But yeah, again, the kids' books are always winning over the The other stuff, I picked up some nice bird books for, I think there's one right here. Nice bird book there, but still humping along here. People are coming in slowly and surely. Seems like every third person is buying something, so that's good. And it's only about 10:30 in the morning. There goes the vintage refrigerator and dryer, 25 bucks.
How much is your craft stuff?
Just make a pile of it and we'll see what kind of price we have there.
How much was it?
$1. That was a nice little flip. She just bought a bunch of home goods stuff, $45 later. Starting to do pretty well here. It's about 11:15, 11:30. Had a good sized rush there for a while, but yeah, still lots of stuff left over. Well, a guy offered me some money for my little sign. These cars don't run, so I sold it. $4. We added this little guy. If it's a global voodoo hut, it's got to have some global voodoo. Voodoo.
I love them.
$1. $2.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Thank you. You want one of my peacocks?
Have a wonderful day.
Too.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Okay, don't drop them.
There we go. Sold some clothing and a pan. Ravaging through the clothing, books. Doing pretty well today with these little utensils. Stuff's moving. But we need more stuff to stow.
I just kind of do my own thing. I don't care about
I had to go to the restroom and came back. Some guy was waiting here. He's like, "How much are your CDs?" And before I get to say anything, he goes, "Would you take $2 a piece?" I'm like, "Sure." So he grabbed some Christian ones, so $2 a crack. Got 4, so $8. I'll take that.
I don't think I could get through it. I think it's actually kind of funny.
Well, it looks like we had a little accident here with the inspiration of the Grand Canyon. It's a nice piece, but wind blew it over and now it's cracked. Trashola. It's about 1 o'clock now. Kind of going over what we still have. Obviously, we still have lots of stuff. I sold quite a bit. Household section did pretty well today. Remember, aisle 9. Yeah, clothes, so-so. They probably made like $8 on clothing. But still got all the stuff here. I mean, it's all 25 cents, 50 cents, dollar stuff, but it adds up. There's no doubt about it. And probably going to give it another hour and a half, see how things are going. There's still quite a bit of people here. They're coming and going. But so far, doing pretty good. See if I can squeeze some more money out of some people before we call it a day. And there goes the cross. 40 bucks. He is thrilled. I'm thrilled. Wrapping up at the moment. I decided I'm going to keep these two back here. That way I don't have to keep lugging them back and forth. But, yeah, now it's the time. It's the bummer. Start putting it all back in the hut. Still got some stuff in here from the storage unit. I did clear out about half of this here while I was selling at the flea market. Got a whole trash can full of trashola. The little hut is all sealed, ready to go. So, yeah, not a bad day here at the good old Shopper's Barn in Casa Grande, Arizona. Well, what do we have here? What's your name? Bella, you cutie pie. You like your new home? Oh, you like your new home? Megan take you for a walk? Yeah, you been good doggy? You been good doggy? You been good doggy? Okay. Do you want to be in the vlog? You want to be in the vlog? You're like, what's a vlog? I'm only 6 months old, man. I'm living the life over here, huh? You living the life? All right. So that was a new addition to the family. Little doggy there. Got him for free from the storage unit guy. Owns the facility there. Did a little trading. He just like, take the dog. I'm like, all right. And then decided to keep these. They were in the unit. Nice washer and dryer. They're nice ones compared to what we had before. So fully functional. They're great. And we made a little money off of the previous ones. So another win-win storage unit. There's no doubt about it. Some of the stuff you can get in there. It's great for personal use, home use, and it's great, obviously, to flip and sell. So we upgraded here to these. These, you know, they're the more efficient ones here. So we'll save some money on our bill. But yeah, pretty happy with the turnout with the unit itself. I wish every storage unit was like this. That is for sure. Today's total from the Flea, $243. Again, just from all junk from storage units and little smalls. Those smalls add up, man. There was times in the booth, 30, 40 minutes that I was just grabbing cash. How much? How much? How much? Here's $1, $2, $5. So, pretty good day. I was there for about 5.5 hours, and not too bad. I'll take money like that, you know. So again, it's stuff from storage units, a lot of smalls. There's stuff that I'm selling here, guys, that I couldn't sell any of this stuff on eBay or Amazon or Etsy. I was selling a lot of peacock feathers today, a book ton. People were paying up for them, $3 a piece. One person paid $2 for like 3 ones that were broken, and one person came by towards the end and just bought the rest of them there with the vase for $20. So good money in the flea market. I recommend anybody who has the means to do it, and whether it's from storage units or estate buyouts or auctions, to run this in conjunction with their online business. There's great money in it. So wrapping up the night here in Arizona. It's an interesting day, you know, out there hustling and bustling at the flea market, and sometimes people get just crazy. There was some craziness today at the flea market, which maybe I'll talk about. Maybe I won't. I don't know. I'm going to still go there and still hustle and bustle. Hope you guys are out there making some money, making some cashola. So next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over. What do you think? Did you like going for a walk? You've probably never been out in the desert. What'd you think? You want to go for a walk again? Huh? You don't know what to think, do you? Huh? No? Okay, see you later.
There you go.